Namhlanje izakhamuzi zasemfuleni bezicosha impahla esalile kulandela umlilo ohlasele kule ndawo ngempelasonto esiphuma kuyo. Iningi lalezi zakhamuzi lithi lisale nebeligqokile njengoba belisezinkonzweni zephasika ngesikhathi kuqubuka lo mlilo.
Alikhubanga nanto bendisecaweni ephasikeni ndifonelwe ekuseni kumelwane wami besithi kuyatsha emfuleni endiya kuchekwa leyo ndlu yami akukho nto bayikhuphileyo.
Abenhlangano esiza abantu i-Gift of the Givers bathi bazimisele ukusiza abantu bakule ndawo njengoba into abayibone izolo ngesikhathi befika kuyo le ndawo ibazwise ubuhlungu.
Some of the people here, people inform us that they must normally work with budgets when it comes to getting their pay or their money, and some of the people already have purchased their groceries, and that is completely burnt out for the month. And with schools coming in the coming week, all the children's school uniforms, stationery completely burnt out.
Ngokusho komunye wabaholi balomphakathi, izakhamuzi ezikhahlamezekile ziyanqaba ukuyokhosela emahholo omphakathi ngoba zithi abanye abantu bangase bethathe izindawo zabo lapho bezakhe khona.
Others are renting inside the area, but now when they see that there was fire like this, they take the opportunity to come and take places of other people. Now we suggested that people must come and register so that we may know the people that will be in need of a place to stay.
Umphakathi waseLanga naseDunun khona eKapa wehlakelelwe umshophi ofanayo nokwenza bebe ngaphezulu kwamakhulu 7 abantu abasale Dengwane kule mpelasonto yephasika.